Hello, YouTube. Salivate Metal here, and the Dow Jones Industrial has fallen 312.78 points. Very interesting on the tail end of Janet Yellen's announcement last week that the economy is in pretty good shape. Well, I guess that's the markets didn't think that was the case. And I did hear today that there are a company has announced some job losses, and that we will have another jobs report coming this Friday. So quite interesting. And I think people are wising up because if the economy was in as good a shape as she says it is, well, why didn't they raise the interest rates a quarter of a point? But nonetheless, with that news, we're seeing the spot prices for precious metals decline right along with the markets. And usually when there's economic uncertainty, people tend to go to the hedge of gold and silver to protect themselves as safe havens in a troubled economy. But there are times when the precious metal markets either remain flat or rise just a little bit. But in this case, we're seeing them down at least today. Now, if it's just today, it's not that big of a deal. But if it continues to slide downward along with the markets, then that could possibly spell trouble, that we could be in a beginning of a deflationary period into which the precious metals are seen as commodities more so than money, and that downward trend we have seen that moving, especially with silver, as it is way undervalued, especially with the silver to gold ratio being, about 75 to 1. So quite interesting, fascinating news that we're seeing in the markets. So for those of you who do have the precious metals, I encourage you to hold on. But if you do want to sell them or trade them or buy them or auction them, I'd encourage you to go to this community here set up by Mob Deep. It's on a Google Plus platform, which I thought they were getting rid of Google Plus, but nonetheless, it seems like it's a very well laid out format here with different sections for buying and selling and trading, general discussion, and then feedback. And apparently, you might want to check it out and check out the rules to it. But there's different ways you can sell, you can auction, and you can trade along with the community here. And this, I see this as more of a supplement to the other existing forms of buying, selling, and trading on YouTube for the community here. And also, don't forget about tastysilver.com, which is Hi-Ho Silver's website. And also, if you go to Still Keeping One's YouTube page, he has a link on the upper right-hand corner to his store. Both of them have pretty good deals for silver and with a rotation of product. And here is a place where if you want to buy, sell, and trade as a user, don't have a store set up, you can do that here. So a lot of different ways to interact with the community and to avoid those hellacious eBay fees. And I think there's enough of us now that this could turn into something very good if people join and it's run in an efficient manner. And I think he does have some rules here you can check out. So I will put a link to the description to this site below and encourage you to check it out. And I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.